Welcome to KTM. In today's video, we will explore the top 4 materials suitable for milling and turning composite machining. Let's check it out. 1. Stainless steel. Stainless steel is often used in composite machining due to its superior corrosion resistance and aesthetic appeal. It provides good mechanical properties, making it suitable for various components in different industries, including automotive, machinery, electronics, etc. Different grades of stainless steel, such as 304 and 316, offer specific advantages in terms of machinability and performance. 2. Engineering plastics. Engineering plastics, such as POM, PA, HDPE, PC PEEK, etc., are commonly employed in composite machining. These materials offer excellent chemical resistance, low friction coefficients, and high mechanical strength. 3. Aluminum alloys. Aluminum alloys are widely used in composite machining due to their excellent strength-to-weight ratio, corrosion resistance, and ease of machining. They offer high thermal conductivity, which helps dissipate heat generated during milling operations. Commonly used aluminum alloys include 6061, 7075, and 2024, etc. 4. Copper alloys. Copper alloys, such as brass and bronze, find application in machining for their superior electrical conductivity and thermal properties. These materials are often used for electrical connectors, cooling systems, and heat exchangers. Machining copper alloys requires proper tool selection and cutting parameters to prevent work hardening and tool wear. That's all for today. If you have any questions or inquiries, please feel free to contact us. Bye for now.